Today, guys, I'll be making some pizza from scratch. Got some bread flour, garlic powder, roasted garlic and herbs, some sugar, tomato paste, well, pasta paste, whatever you want to call it, Italian seasoning, and some salt, and I have some oil too. Oh, it's some quick rise yeast. So let's just get this thing going. What we're gonna do is, let me slide that back. I'm gonna put 4 cups of bread flour. No, I'm not sifting or none of that. You can do that if you want, but I'm not. Let me back this up. Excuse my charge bill. Yeah, whatever. You see, that's 4. We're gonna dump that in there. We're gonna mix all the dry ingredients first. Then the quick rise I'm gonna use to no thank you, next time. This is half a tablespoon, so I'm gonna do, and you don't have to put it in warm water all that because it's instant. 1, that's 2 tablespoons. I mean that's 1 tablespoon. That's 1.5 tablespoons. That's what I'm gonna use. Then and close that up. I'll get the sugar.
The sugar? Wow, I like sugar.
Excuse me, son. Oh! I'm gonna use a tablespoon.
A tablespoon?
Of salt. I mean sugar. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, see.
Maybe 2. Yeah, I'm gonna use 2 because double it. Then I'm gonna take 1/4 tablespoon. I'm gonna use 2 scoops of this. And I like flavor to my bread, so Italian seasoning. Put as much as you want. I'm all balling it because it is what it is, you know. Just roasted garlic and herb. Hey, Lala. And some garlic powder.
I want to see you cook. You cook pizza.
Now we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Ooh, that smells good already. Mix it real good. And a little wild card. Mix it real good. Then you have some. It says hot water, but I don't want to use too much. So I'm gonna let that cool down. And I'll be right back. 2 cups. I'll put a little bit in the center. Get like a cup. And then I'm gonna mix it.
I like pizza.
You like pizza? Okay.
I don't like pizza.
Hold it like that.
Mommy, my pizza.
Yeah, you're gonna have pizza.
Okay. My pizza.
It'll be done in no time, okay?
My pizza.
You ain't gotta spend no money. These pizzas cost lots of dollars. Pour my 2 cups in. I'm just gonna mix.
Mix.
Say mix it, mix it.
Mommy!
You know what else, huh? And then I'm gonna take this vegetable oil and I'm gonna put
Mommy!
1/3 cup.
I'll sit here. Listen. You want to play rock, paper, scissors?
Vegetable.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Mommy.
Pour that in there.
Rock, paper, scissors. Mommy, go here.
Just mix it. Get the dough consistency.
Mommy. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors.
I'll be back when I finish mixing it. So, it looks like this, right? But I'll take a little bit more flour so it won't be so sticky. You don't want no sticky dough. Pour it on top. Pat. See? And just knead it. So all you're doing, knead it. Then after you knead it, a little bit more because it's still a little sticky. I'm gonna put some around the bowl, not like directly on it. You see what I'm saying? Now get your butt out. Just roll it around the bowl so get all that oil. I made that flour. Get that thing from the bottom. Just roll it. See how nice that looks? And you're going to cover it. I'm going to come out with a paper towel for like 45 minutes. And we'll be back to cut it and spread it out. Okay? Bye. Come on. Back up. No, why y'all drink my why y'all drink my coffee? They said you don't like me, did.
Mommy, let me see.